Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. So guys, in today's video, I have some good news, especially for those who are working on the VeryChat network. Yes guys, a very important update regarding KYC has just arrived. Before getting into the details, I have a small request for all my brothers and sisters. If possible, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I have attached the links to my WhatsApp and Telegram channels in the description. Make sure to join them as well because all the latest updates related to airdrops and new mining platforms are shared there first. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, if you have already joined VeryChat network and are mining on a daily basis, then that's great. But if you haven't joined this project yet, you're making a big mistake. You'll find the joining link in the description. Just click on it, download the application and follow the simple steps to create your account. As for the referral code, you'll also find it in the description. Copy and use it because it will give you an extra bonus of 50 tokens. Once your account is created, all you need to do is tap once and your mining will start. You'll see a timer below showing when you need to return and activate mining again. For new users and users who cannot build a team, I strongly recommend using all the available boosts. These boosts reduce your mining cooldown time. For example, I currently have to wait 6 hours and 4 minutes before I can start mining again. The weather used 6 boosts, but if I use these 6 boosts, the tokens that I would normally receive after 6 hours will be credited immediately and I'll be able to start mining again right away. So if you want to earn more tokens faster, make sure you use all these boosts regularly. Another important point is that its P2P feature is already active. You can send and receive tokens between wallets, including Trust Wallet and other supported wallets. You can also transfer tokens directly from one VeryChat wallet to another. Currently, the token is trading at approximately 1 to 1.5 PKR. Since the price is still very low, there is a strong possibility that it could increase significantly in the future, especially after KYC and migration are completed. Once users complete KYC and migrate their tokens, they'll be able to buy and sell freely, which may help increase demand and potentially affect the market price. This is a strong Korean project and I believe you should not miss it. If you are already working on multiple free mining applications, make sure to add this one to your list as well. Now let's move to the latest update regarding KYC. Many users have received a note status, including myself. Those users are wondering whether they will need to complete KYC again. According to the latest announcement, which was published about an hour ago, the update is titled Second KYC Migration Snapshot. The announcement states that the next KYC and migration target date is June 22. This means that KYC slots are expected to become available on June 27. The team has also provided eligibility criteria for receiving a KYC slot. According to the announcement, users should have at least 500 Very tokens. App mining rewards, event rewards, invitation rewards, and other rewards are all included in this total. This means that having a minimum of 500 Very tokens is the main requirement. Participating in events and reward programs can also help, but the 500 token requirement is the most important criterion. The team also mentioned that some testing may take place before the official KYC rollout. So there could be a slight delay beyond June 22, although nothing has been confirmed yet. Now, regarding users who already have the note status and whose mining is active, the announcement clearly states that they will not need to complete KYC again. Their previous KYC verification will remain valid and they won't be required to submit their documents another time. So guys, this is the latest update. Igab, Omon, then Oman to raise quickly and as possible. Join the team. you'll receive 50 bonus tokens immediately, and then you should use all available boosts daily. If you mine consistently and use all the boosts, you may be able to reach 500 tokens within 8 to 10 days, or at most within 15 to 20 days. Keep in mind that token rewards have already been halved. Previously, users were earning 24 tokens per cycle, but now we receive only 12 tokens. So reaching the target will require a bit more effort. If you wanted to max your Chainets is of 6 and a KYC slot in the first phase, make sure to stay active and continue mining regularly. That's all for today's latest update. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a nice comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section and I'll do my best to reply. Also, make sure to join my Telegram and WhatsApp channels because all future updates regarding this project will be shared there first. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourselves and take good care of this channel as well. Jazakallah khair.